Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring your S24 Ultra is updated and the custom sound file is already on the phone. This avoids permission problems. Once done, unlock the phone and open settings, then tap sounds and vibration. You're doing this now to access system notification options directly. Make sure media and notification volumes are audible so you can test. If the file isn't in downloads, copy it from a computer or cloud storage to internal storage/downloads first. That keeps the next menus simple. Now you'll select the notification sound. Tap notification sound, you'll see system tones and an option to add from phone. Choose add from phone to pick your MP3 or OGG in downloads. This lets you use a personal tone instead of a stock sound. When prompted, grant the files or storage permission so the picker can read the audio. Once selected, the phone shows a preview. Listen and adjust notification volume if needed. This step writes the new sound to the notification profile, so notifications use. Finish by testing the change. Use preview in the sound picker or send yourself a message to hear the new tone. If you don't hear it, verify notifications permission for the app and ensure Do Not Disturb isn't silencing alerts. Once you've adjusted volume and confirmed, the tone remains set across apps that use default notifications. If problems persist, restart the S24 Ultra and reassign the file. A restart often clears permission or cache issues that block custom tones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.